So hi guys, Polestar just released a new update. I think it's like 4.10 that fixes the backlight of your car strobing or not turning on. So let me show you the release notes. So it's it's 4.2.13. Oh shit. Where is it? I think it's installing already. So backlight is sometimes strobing, but that could be because I place the extra light and take out the juice of the extra light on this LED here. That's why it maybe it's strobing, because it's drawing too much current, and like in this winter period, it could be that the computer that is feeding these lights is having difficulties, or it could be that it's restricted in the software. But I have now hope that so you can see it's now working 100% correctly. But most of the times when it's cold outside, the lights don't turn on or are strobing. In the summer there's no problem, because I think the current draw is then within the limits. But I like this light a lot, because if you can see, it lights the boot exactly how it should be. It's not too much, or it's not extreme or something, but it's still diffuse enough to be like an OEM part. But it helps me a lot. So let's see if this. So I will be updating you guys if this works or not. But for now it works, so I'm happy. But let's see, maybe the update helps a lot more. So you can see it's really dirty because of the French Alps. Oh, sorry, the Italian Alps. So guys, you can see here the release notes of this software update. So it's the 4.2.13. And you see the second bullet, bug fix for when the rear luggage compartment interior light intermittently did not turn on. So I have the problem that I'm drawing too much current because of the extra light, and that sometimes the light strobes a lot. So it strobes for like 30 seconds and then it turns off, or otherwise it doesn't turn on when it's really cold. That's because I think it draws too much current. So I had it in my head to take off the extra light and just call it a day. But I have now high hopes that this software version, the new one, fixes that problem. But let's see. I will report back.